Widely famous for its rugged landscapes and jaw-dropping scenery, Iceland spares no resources in making sure you get the vacation of a lifetime. Welcome to Trip Buddy Luxury Adventures. In this episode, I'll be taking you on a little trip around this gorgeous Nordic country, showing you how to spend your vacation in opulence. The country might seem modest at first, with its rustic European charm, but don't be fooled by it. It's definitely easy to spend a couple grand when perusing through the country. From lush lodgings to mind-blowing transportation, it's here in today's video. So get ready to experience a luxury trip in the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Dip into the waters with a private yacht. The country is widely popular as a host of lovely waters to dip your toes into, so why not take a day to surround yourself with the country's gorgeous blues? For that quest, I recommend renting out your own private yacht. The Arver 250 is yours for 8 magical hours, costing around $1,600 USD. It's packed with all your essentials for an escapade through the waters. It even comes with fishing gear and everything you need to fulfill your cooking needs. You can opt for a captain to accompany you and take you on your own private tour, or trust in your own hands to navigate through the waves. Just make sure you have a valid sailing certificate. Previous sailors enjoyed the company of their captain, having the perfect blend of a fun and professional personality, all the while feeling ecstatic about their experience in sailing across the country's waters. Not only that, but the itinerary is flexible, bending its winds to your taste. So whether it's whale watching, fishing, snorkeling, or other water-related activities, feel free to try it all when you voyage through Iceland's gorgeous waves. Dine at Reykjavik's finest. For the ultimate luxury dining experience in Reykjavik, look no further than the grill market. Your palate will thank you after it's tasted Iceland's finest locally grown ingredients. Indulge in classics like beef and whale steak, pork ribs, and chicken wings. Have a taste of their specially selected steaks from midday prepared as an island platter for $2,600. Previous customers can attest to the mouth-watering deliciousness of their scrumptious lamb chops, grilled puffin, variation of seafood, refreshing cocktails and drinks, and of course, their phenomenal steak. The amazing food along with their perfect portion sizes, lovely staff, relaxing ambiance, and rustic and contemporary interior design all contribute to a 5 out of 5 stars from happy patrons across the globe. Explore the country in style. After filling our stomachs with probably one of the best meals we've ever had, why don't we peruse through the country? Experience a grand vacation like never before when you choose to experience Iceland's breathtaking landscapes from a thrilling perspective by embarking on a helicopter tour. From exciting crater tours to cool glacier lagoons, get ready to explore the country's natural treasures in style. Book a pilot special helicopter tour. Discover the breathtaking beauty of Iceland's nature from a bird's eye view as your expert pilot selects the most scenic route. Marvel at rugged mountain terrains, expansive lava fields, and the possibility of standing on a glacier. Experience this spontaneous ride in the hands of a seasoned flyer for a remarkable $2,900. The tour tends to vary from season to season, depending on the weather and pilot's discretion. But regardless, previous flyers recommend the experience to everyone. Whether soaring across mountainsides or getting close to lava fields, the adventure differs for everybody. But one thing remained constant: the reliable, knowledgeable, and endearing pilots. There are other tours that take you deeper into Iceland's snow and water scene, and there are also those that fly you over the many valleys and mountains around the country. Whichever tour you pick, I'm sure you'll get to experience a once-in-a-lifetime thrill when exploring the country through the skies. Stay at luxury lodgings. With a wide selection of hot springs, lavish hotels, and private lodges that are made to complement the natural scenery around them, you're definitely spoiled for choice when resting comfortably during your trip. Staying at Hotel Ranga, priding itself as an ideal place to stay when viewing the northern lights. Fun fact, Kim Kardashian herself stayed at this hotel, so if it's good enough for Kim K, it gets a pass in my book. This luxury lodging hosts 7 exclusive suites, each carefully inspired by different cultures all around the globe. And it's not just the suites. For $3,300 a night, experience their gourmet dining experience, with a delicious selection of modern Nordic cuisine. But that's not all. If you love staying inside this hotel, then experiencing the outside is just as amazing. The place is situated perfectly for an array of outdoor activities, from riding a snowmobile to exploring the famous black sand beach, and maybe even riding a helicopter. Patrons here rave about the food, the reindeer carpaccio, and breakfast spread in particular. Not only that, but they also adore the welcoming staff and obsess about the hotel's location. So whether it's cozying up in the hot tub, dining like a king, or exploring the outdoors, you'll surely get the luxury experience here at Hotel Ranga. See the country's highlights. If soaring through the skies and sailing through waters aren't your thing, then you'd probably want to stay on land for most of the time. Don't worry, I've got you covered. There are a plethora of private tours available at your fingertips with traveling to Iceland. These tours can range from exploring the vast blues and whites of the country to traversing through the mountains and valleys, but the truly amazing tours offer a balance of both. For that, I recommend going on the scenic South Iceland private tour. This exclusive journey will lead you to the region's highlights, from black sand beaches and hot springs to waterfalls and vast volcanic areas. Leave footprints on the sand at Diamond Beach, see the magnificent glaciers at Glacier Lagoon, visit the country's largest national park, and a whole lot more. For about $4,500, this tour perfectly captures the country's captivating beauty. The wise and intentional guides, the amazing history and folklore of the lands, the whimsical balance between every destination, and the smooth travel experience are few of the many highlights previous tourists rave about. That and getting the Nordic escapade of their dreams. Other than the ones I mentioned, there are a plethora of private and exclusive tours for when you visit Iceland. So whether it's flying across the terrain, driving through the valleys, sailing through gorgeous waters, or shredding the snow with a snowmobile, I am certain there won't be a day filled to the brim with excitement when traveling to Iceland. Party in luxury at the Secret Solstice Festival. Can a single festival ticket cost $1 million? It sure can. Held in June, the Secret Solstice Festival is a must-experience event in the country. Designed for 6 dashing guests, this $1 million ticket features round-trip private chartered jet travel, luxury week-long accommodations, exclusive tours to southern Iceland, horseback riding, all-day personal drivers, sledding across famous glaciers, other VIP perks in the festival, and an exclusive party with a headline artist. Experience one of Iceland's grandest festivals in opulence and style, filled to the brim with perks, exclusive experiences, and once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. Founder and managing director of Secret Solstice says that the $1 million ticket isn't about feeling pretentious, but it's to provide everything unique that Iceland has to offer. From the mainstream to the private secrets, it's all here with a golden price tag. Whether it's spending a day in the city, settling on the country's outskirts, soaring across the skies, or partying the days away, Iceland is perfect for that soul-searching getaway. Don't forget to have a taste of the country's finest delights, then take a breather as you dip your toes into calm spring waters. With zero restraints for dollar signs, experience the land's rich history, awe-inspiring scenery, breathtaking waters, and chilling ice marvels all in taste and luxury. Is Iceland finally on your bucket list? Which part of this Nordic getaway are you most thrilled about? Is it the fire or the ice? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as we certainly have more luxurious adventures for you. See you in the next episode.